Hi guys, good evening. It is I, Jenny Lou, and I am doing this video to share with you some of the new pieces that we have here with Origami Owl. And I'm sharing this with you because not everyone has the ability to have a designer or see a local rep or just, have the extra funds to purchase all these to see them in person. So I thought I'd make this video for you guys. I will be starting to do these videos because I feel like there's a lot of videos there, whether they're released by the company or other people, but then you don't really get to see the items up close and personal. And my earlier videos from several years back, that's what I was doing. I was showing the items up close and personal because, yeah, you just want to see them before you make a purchase, or you want to see them just because you want to see what Origami Owl has to offer. So anyway, I will start off with my favorite chains, and these chains were released several months ago. This first one right here is an aqua baby blue looking chain. So there's beads. So as you guys may already know, Origami Owl has a ton of chains ranging from like 16 to 18 inches, which is like really short up on the neck, and they have chains all the way to, I believe, 40 inches or 38 inches. So check them out. They're not the longest and they're not the shortest, and they have the beading on them, so it's really cool. It can be just worn with a regular Origami Owl locket, or you could pair it with a prism, or with a locket with a prism face, and we do have one that would match this in the aqua blue. That prism face in a clear, so that's the clear one. So you put this on a locket base, and then you could put the charms, and you would be able to see the charms through that right there. So it's really pretty, and it gives you like a different look. And from the side, it's not a flat glass locket. It actually has like that round mound to it, so it's pretty cool. It also comes in this one right here, but this is the current Hostess exclusive, so you can only get this if you are hosting a jewelry bar. And if you are hosting a jewelry bar and your jewelry bar hits 250, 500, or 1,000 in retail sales, then you can get this for 25% all the way to free when you do a jewelry bar. So this right here is paired up with this, can be with the Hostess exclusive. It comes as a set. So that prism face will come with this, and it will come with the matching base. So this right here is gold, as well as you see the front of that prism, it has gold. And with the other one, with this aqua one, that is silver, and then the prism face that's aqua is also silver on the edges. So I think I have that in one of my packages coming, so I'll go ahead and share that next time when I have it on hand. And for those who are not into the colors, this is a hematite version of the chain, and that is a gold metal on there. And there isn't a prism face in a gray or a hematite, but you can pair this with that clear one, or you can just pair it with another locket. Then we have a ton of choices in regards to our lockets. So that's really cool. I like this. I haven't worn any of these chains. I literally just have received this. Well, we received it 3 weeks ago, but I haven't like opened it up, as you can see. So I don't know if they feel too heavy. I don't know if, but I definitely think that they are beautiful. These are the bases that you would pair up with the faces. These are interchangeable with other faces of Origami Owl. They offer a ton of faces. This right over here is one of the other new products. This is a bangle, and right now it only comes in one size. This is called the silver bangle something, and this locket is what goes with that. So you would actually pinch these two sides to put this in, and it has gotten good reviews from customers and reps. And the thing that I have been hearing as far as like what doesn't work for them is that even though the website says 7 inches, supposedly other people who fit 7-inch wrists say that these actually run small. So I have a tiny wrist. My wrist is actually, let me see, can't really tell there, but my wrist is 5.5, so I can't even demonstrate this without it looking awesome on me, just because my wrist is so small. But just be mindful when you have customers that are asking like, hey, is that stretchy? And though it is flexible, it isn't stretchy, or it wouldn't be so comfortable with somebody who is perfectly a 7-inch. I'm just guessing they might actually have more sizes and more colors later on. We always start out with silver, and then, you know, if there's a demand or if there's just, you know, interest, then they tend to expand that product itself. One of the other products that I really liked from this collection, or from the recent things that they've added, are these necklaces right here. This one says faith over fear, and this one's gonna be definitely for me, because I have a lot of faith, but I have a lot of fear of what others might think of me. But I'm working on it, because I know that there's a lot of improvements to do to be better. I have everything I need, from my faith to the support system for my family to an amazing church, that I have everything I need to get over my fears. And so this will be one of the things that I'm going to constantly have on me. And I just love what it stands for, faith over fear. That is it for this package. The next video that I will be doing will be probably the jewelry bar. I did a jewelry bar of over, I believe, 1,200, and so I wanted to show you the Hostess rewards from that, and it includes all the new things, I believe most of the things in the Mother's Day collection. So okay guys, I will go ahead and post this up and stay tuned for the next video. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye for now.